Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends set 41378 from 2017 to 2018, and the set is Dolphins Rescue. And the set you have two minifigures. The characters is Stephanie and also Casey. Also you get this beautiful submarine you can open, so you can take Stephanie out of the submarine, and also the back can open where you can store the diving gear. And also you get Casey with this beautiful water scooter for underwater travel. And you also get this beautiful purple treasure chest. Unfortunately, there are some parts from the set that's not available for review. And this is a nice addition to your Lego city. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, or if they would like me to, I would gladly put my contact number in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.